Thank you, cameraman. Yes.
Hey, say da 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 da.
Make me hair look nice. Nice and fresh. Hello everyone, it's me, Tramaine, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very boho inspired, this is upside down, boho inspired pillows. Don't forget to click the like button, which looks like this, on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and leave a comment to see what you want me to do next, all for ideas. I make requests, and without further ado, let's go make some stuff.
I'm spinning over, why you never let go. And this love is so wild. Da, 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 oh, da, da, da.
So you're gonna need some good thick fabric for this one. I got this from a friend in Preston years ago, and I finally found a great use for it. There's about 1 meter of this. I measured the pillow first to see how much I needed to cut, and it was 16 inches long. Cut your fabric down to size. Now don't judge me for lifting fabric. I did it like this because I wanted the pattern in the center, on the center of my pillow. Cut 2 pieces for the back that just go over half the original size. So in this case, 9 inches. Fold over the edge 1/2 inch and sew it down on both pieces. Get some Velcro. I cut mine 2 inches for each piece. And position 2 on the right side of the fabric and 2 on the wrong side, so that when they're on the pillow they overlap. Now for some cute tassels. I wrapped some wool around a card about 30 times and I cut off the excess. Thread a piece of wool through the middle and tie it off to create a means to attach it. Now you can take it off the card. Wrap another piece of wool around the tassel. Then cut through the loop to create the tassel. Give it a bit of a trim and that's your tassel. I made 6 of these to go around the pillow. Position them on the back piece of the pillow with the tassels facing inwards. Put your front piece of the pillow on top and sew around the edges. And there's your pillow.
For the sky, now I'm spinning over, why you never let go. And this love is so wild. Da, da.
Okay, for the circular pillow I used 2 old t-shirts. One had a massive mark on the front, so I used the back of it. Trace around your pillow onto the shirt and cut it out.
Comes to find me, I will be found.
Sew the sides together and leave a gap for the pillow to go through. Turn the pillowcase right side out and put your pillow in. And hand sew the side that is open, closed. Apply some wool together for the center of the pillow and cut them into 3. Attach the plaits in the center of the pillow by hand sewing and pushing the needle and thread all the way through to the other side, wrapping the plait around the pillow. Repeat this for the other 2 as well. Add a flat button to the middle on both sides, and then you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Over my face. Can you see it? Can you see it? Tune in next time for another creative make. Peace, love, and Jesus, because Jesus is Lord. Bye!